Hi John, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
You're feeling great, John. I heard that you were feeling bored, so you decided to throw yourself off an airplane?
Yeah.
Is that something like that?
Spice things up a little bit, yeah.
Alright,
yeah.
4,300 meters for the first time for you.
No, I've done it before.
Alright, so you're even crazier that you're getting yourself into this again, alright.
I like the feeling.
How do you feel then? Do you still feel nervous or?
Tiny
just
bit.
a little
Only
bit.
a little bit, yeah.
Alright, well John, you are in super good hands with Bruno and I will see you up there, so let's have some fun. How was that?
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, my friend, you did an awesome job in free fall. Congratulations and welcome back to the planet. Next time you're doing this on your own, eh?